Okay, this is just a quick video on the benefit of snatch blocks. I got this big nasty locust. Looks more like a mulberry. Nah, that's a locust. It's dead. It's falling down into this maple tree. All I have to do is get it on the ground. As you can see right up here, it's crotched in pretty good. So all I'm doing is I'm taking one of my rat lines, which is this rigid old school, a lot of people call them utility lines. Utility companies use them a lot. It's the rigid triple strand. And I ran it to a snatch block on a chain up to that cherry tree back there. Not sure you could even see that, but and then back to the trunk of the locust. And I'm going to see if I can't just yoke this over whole with my old Jeep Comanche. So sometimes tree work has nothing to do with cutting, and more to do with thinking. Of course, I'm thinking this is a good idea, but barely get a rock under there. I'm pretty sure this can all go wrong pretty darn fast. Well, let's find out. Put up the old plumber's crack. Here we go. Wonder if this rope will snap or I'll just get yoked into the shrubbery if everything goes south on it. Be interesting. Did it even move? I don't even think it even moved. Look at that. Now, if I play this smart, put my rope on the handle. What am I going to do? Pretty good there. Maybe a little bit of leverage change. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to back up. I'm going to take it off of the trunk where it is, put it on the thumb, and see if we just can't get it to spin. I mean, it's already giant success. Go a little bit better. That's it. All right. I'm going to call that a great success. Over the wall, out of the way.